Okay, so we're taking a look at the 1966 Honda CA95 Benley, and this bike is often referred to as a baby dream. It's a 150cc dual cylinder engine, and this particular bike I found just by chance, so I thought it was cool and I picked it up, and it runs good. It's kind of in a little bit of a rat rod or patina style finish, so it's pretty much a great subject for just refinish, but it runs and drives well. All the systems work on it, including the electric start. I replaced the faulty fuel petcock mechanism that's OEM fit on these bikes. They just leak profusely, and there's no replacement for it unless you buy a rebuild kit, and with that comes its own challenges because they're not easy to install and maintain. So they sell this new style fuel petcock retrofit kit, which I put on there and works perfectly. So we'll move through the bike, we'll walk around, we'll check out the features and stuff in it. This is the toolbox cover area. As you can see, it comes with the factory toolkit, which should be pretty rare, pretty hard to find. Unique addition to this bike. And the air filter assembly is behind that toolkit there. It has the OEM air filter in it, but I actually just removed the paper part that was bad and used the screen and wrapped it with a foam air filter and put some oil on it like a modern style because of the style of it. It's not one of those things that's commonly available here in the States, so we kind of retrofitted that. Also, you can see exhaust pipes on this bike are not OEM. Looks like the header pipes are, but the little mufflers and the turn downs definitely not OEM, so that's something that is not stock on it. But other than that, all of the factory pieces seem to be there. And like I said, this is an electric start, which is pretty cool for the age of the bike, and it's also a kickstart, as you see there. Both work good. And here's the battery compartment of the bike, and it's definitely got some new power and ground wires on it. Not the tidiest job, but it works. It's a good subject, good topic for a rebuild in that area or a refresh. And the carb is the original Kian carb. And it shifts through all the gears. It's got passenger foot pegs, factory rubber on them. The shocks are in good condition, they work good still. Tank rubber, tank pad is still on there. Fuel tank looks like it's in good condition. Definitely not giving any rust out of it. It's definitely not rusted up. The throttle assembly is a little loose. That could be subject for replacement on it, but other than that, the tires look good. The brakes work, headlight works, the clutch works. It's missing a little high-low switch cover here, and I'm not sure if the horn works or not. But anyways, let's get it started up and take it for a ride. You see it's got 10,597 miles on it. Speedometer works still, so I believe those to be accurate miles. So this new fuel petcock is pretty simple. Down is on, right is off, and then you have a reserve. And the switch on these are unique. You have an off, but if you go one back, it's a kind of like a prime setting. So if you want to prime the carbs and turn the motor over without firing it, it basically takes the ignition coils out of the circuit. Then you have one over is start, and next one up is lights. So let's go ahead and get it started here. Of course, you gotta choke it a little bit. And you probably can tell this is a pretty cool sounding bike. It's got the twin cylinders in it, so it's a small bore twin cylinder 150. It's got a unique little sort of idle sound to it. It sounds pretty good, like a little sport bike Harley almost.